Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete an account on Twitter. So first of all, before deleting your X account, you may want to have a copy of your all X data, and if yes, now I will show you how you can do that. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy. In your settings, go to your account section and go to download and archive of your data. Now you have to sign in to your X account, and after this, X will prepare a large zip file for you, which will include all your data. So this will include your posts, messages, media, basically everything, your all activity on X. And you'll be notified when that file will be ready to download. So after this, after you have your file with all your data, you want to delete your account. To do that, first of all, please make sure that you're in the section Your Account and select Deactivate Your Account section. Now on your screen you can read the information provided by X, and you have to tap this red Deactivate button at the bottom side of the screen. Then enter your password, X password, to confirm that you really want to deactivate your account. And after this, your account will be deactivated. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after you deactivate your account will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. Again, after 30 days of no login activity, X will permanently delete your account and all the data that is associated with it. So that's how you can delete your account on Twitter. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.